Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here three different compounds are given. P1 is cyclohexene, Q1 is alkene in trans form, R is a cyclohexene with side methyl group. You have to arrange these three compounds by its reaction ability with Wilkinson catalyst. Here you should know the Wilkinson catalyst first. It's a bulky catalyst with rhodium and chlorine. 3 triphenyl phosphine groups. Very bulky, but everybody will confuse. Normally the reactions require less steric compound, more steric won't go. But here the answer is reverse. The reaction is dictated by the binding ability. Wilkinson catalyst, the metal catalyst, always requires cis form. So trans form is less reactive because cis form means you are binding the metal in the same surface. So if you look at it, P is a very reactive one because it don't have any steric hindrance, plus it has cis one. Then the Q will come because its crowding is less, so it comes next. Then the least one will be R because it has very crowded one, so the binding is less effective. So the steric bulkiness of the reactant decides it. So the order will be PQR. Here the concept you outline here is the reaction is dictated by the steric effect, but the reaction S is more favorable due to the binding ability. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.